Welcome guys. Are you looking for the best car wash brush? In this video Automotive Care brings 5 best car wash brushes in 2021. Through extensive research we have put together all the products in list and mention their links in the description box. Let's move towards the list. On the 5th number is DockerPoll Car Wash Brush. The DockerPoll Soft Bristle Car Wash Brush is ideal for large cars, trucks, trailers, boats, campers, trailers, RVs and more. The DockerPoll Ultra Soft Bristle Brush Kit with 24-foot extension pole is the perfect high and long reach cleaning brush solution. It includes a 6 to 24-foot brush extension pole and a premium 5-sided ultra soft bristle brush. The brush's angled design maximizes surface area contact and protects the cleaning surface, leaving behind a scrubbed surface that is as clean as new. The Soft Brush Plus pole provide up to 30 feet of reach when used while standing, ensuring no dirty surface goes uncleaned. This car wash brush is available on Amazon. On the 4th number is Matte Car Wash Brush. Matte Car Wash Brush acting as a good helper for more professional car care cleaning with length 62-inch and absorbent chenille microfiber. This microfiber wash mop differs itself from others in superb long handle for reaching RVs, SUV, cars, bus and trucks and high windows. A perfect cleaning tool against dust for professional usage and enthusiasts. The most amazing feature is its length 62 inches, which could be best possible reaching for cleaning. The strong water absorption ensuring powerful surface cleanliness due to microfiber density. The chenille microfiber wash mop mitt detachable could be for an independent detailed cleaning. The non-slip grip sponge handle ensures a tight holding when cleaning. This car wash brush is available on Amazon. On the 3rd number is Eversprout Car Wash Brush. Eversprout Car Wash Brush can be used in countless ways for a huge ROI on your purchase. Bristles are soft so they do not scratch when scrubbing. Rubber bumper around scrub brush protects from damage and scratching. Scrub brush is safe all kinds of vehicles like cars, trucks, marine boats and more. The lightweight aluminium pole weighs less than a pound and is extremely sturdy. A non-slip foam hand grips for comfort and reliable grip in wet conditions. A frustration-free flip tab locking mechanism means no sections getting stuck like traditional twist lock poles. The Acme thread pole tip is made of metal alloy for durability. It's compatible with any Eversprout attachment with over 10x potential uses. This car wash brush is available on Amazon. On the 2nd last number is Camco Car Wash Brush. Camco's RV flow-through wash brush with adjustable handle is the perfect tool for washing your RV, cars and more. The handle adjusts from 43 inches to 71 inches long and includes a standard garden hose connection and an on/off button to control water flow through the brush head. A 10-inch wide soft bristle brush head that locks ensures that the wash head won't spin while delivering maximum cleaning power. The brush's rubber corners protect what you are washing. This car wash brush with adjustable handle is the perfect tool to get the job done right. Rubber corners protects what you are washing and a built-in squeegee delivers a streak-free shine every time. This car wash brush is available on Amazon. And on the last we listed Camco Car Wash Brush. Camco changing the way cleaning tools are used by understanding the consumer's need for innovation, design, functionality and quality. Camco has pioneered automotive cleaning value to help customers maintain their vehicle's showroom new appearance inside and out. Camco's dip wash brush has a 10-inch super soft brush head with rubber bumper and 65-inch extension pole. Features foam grips for extra control. It includes rubber bumper on brush head to prevent scratching. The Camco Car Wash Brush is designed for cars, trucks, SUVs, RVs and more. This car wash brush is available on Amazon. For more information about all the products, check the links in the description box. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.